Good morning! Michael, bye-bye! See you later! Good morning, guys! So, for today's video, yung anak ko ay papasok na. Yung kindergarten ko ay papasok na sa school. Yan, parating na yung school bus niya. Right now is 7:10 a.m. Today is Thursday, January. Yan. Ayan guys, sasakay na siya. Okay, lalarga na. Bye Michael. See you later baby. Tapos next naman ay si Dio naman ang lalarga. Si Sofia may iwan sa bahay. Ayan. 7:20 naman siya. So mamaya ready na siya a little bit. Alright, so Dion is gonna go outside. He's ready to go to school. There you go. Have fun, Dion. Enjoy your day in school. Have a great day. Take care of yourself. Bye. Alis na siya. Lamig sa labas. There he is. The school bus is coming. Ngayon, si Sofia at saka si Mami at saka si Daddy na lang ang nasa bahay. So, dalawang brothers na sa school na. Good morning everyone. Thursday. Bye for now.